Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to the Groves by KB Homes here in Inspirada. Now this is a townhouse community, and right behind me, we are gonna be touring their largest floor plan. That's a townhouse, which is the 1921, so stick around. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do with my channel is we go over all the new communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, everyone. So today we're here at the Groves by KB Homes here in Inspirada. Now the Groves is a townhouse community. Now this community has been up for quite some time now. It's been up for years. I'm just retouring this one because I know since the last videos, there has been some price adjustments as well, some price changes. So I'm just recovering this community, you guys. Now we are here in Inspirada. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Inspirada, we're in a master plan community here in the south. It's in the west side of Henderson, but it's like south. It's kind of close to the M Hotel Casino. Very nice master plan community. Bunch of amenities. There's like 4 or 5 different parks. You have pools, you have trails, very family friendly. And there's a lot of good things in the near future for Inspirada, okay? This is the townhouse community, the Groves, and I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. They offer 7 different floor plans here, actually, all ranging from 1430 square feet all the way up to 1921 square feet. Base prices ranging from $341,990 all the way up to $379,490, okay? Just remember, whenever you see the base price with KB Homes, it doesn't include lot premium and upgrades, so you definitely have to add that. Just as like a general range of where the out-the-door prices are, whenever you look at the base price, I would add about, you know, it could be up to like 20 to 40,000 higher than the base prices, okay? That'll include like upgrades and lot premiums. Now, the way they're doing it here at KB, they build from dirt up, so that means they're not really big fans of like quick move-ins. So they want you to pick your lot, pick your model, pick all your options. And it's about, 8-9 month build time. Okay. So a couple of things about the community. HOA is $160 a month for this townhouse community. That includes like all the amenities. That includes the roof. Okay. That includes the outside landscaping, all the parks and whatnot. So there's also a LID for the Groves, okay? So LID just means Local Improvement District, okay? I actually do have a reel. If you're curious to know what a LID is, I have a reel, like it's a short reel that you could check out. I'll put it on the screen for you guys right now. But yeah, you pay it semi-annually, so you pay $162 every 6 months. Now there is a balance on that, okay? So once the balance is paid off, then you no longer have to pay the LID anymore. So the balance is $2,900, which is not too bad compared to some different communities, okay? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Okay, welcome to the plan 1921. Now this is going to be the largest floor plan in the Groves townhouse community here in Inspirada. This is going to be 1921 square feet, 2-story, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Now this unit will always be an end unit as well. And the base price is $379,490, okay? So after lot premiums and upgrades, I would say you're looking at about $400 to $415, like that range. You could still, that's just kind of the range, guys. You could still be below that or above that. It just kind of depends on what you're putting in upgrades. Okay, so you have this nice little like hangout area right here. Okay, so look, this looks nice and relaxing. Okay, also the front landscaping will be included, okay? So welcome in. Now, as soon as you walk in, to the right, you'll have this coat closet right here. Cut. Then you'll have your stairs that go to the 2nd floor. Okay, got your kitchen, dining room, living room. You have these 3 windows right here. Okay, and this is your entry door. Now, the most common type of upgrade most buyers will do is they'll always upgrade the flooring, right? Especially on the first floor. A lot of buyers will remove that carpet from the first floor because what's standard is you'll have carpet pretty much everywhere in the house. The only place you won't have carpet is going to be the kitchen, the wet area, so the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and entryway, and you'll have like a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. So, a lot of buyers, what they'll do is they'll upgrade into something like this, a vinyl plank, and they'll just put it all throughout the first floor. Okay, nice. You have some space right in there. Okay, so here's your kitchen. Now, it looks like they do have the optional 42-inch cabinets. They went ahead and upgraded the ceiling as well to the 9-foot ceiling, which I highly recommend. That's one of the, that's definitely an upgrade I feel strongly about. Anytime you have the option to, make your house a little bit more spacious or feel more open, it's always worth it. Because we always look at, things on a resale perspective as well. So that's what buyers are looking for. Okay, so you got this granite countertop. I'm not too sure if this is standard. So it comes with a granite countertop in the kitchen, but I'm not too sure if this color is optional or if it comes included. Okay, so now as far as the appliances, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, but you will have like this oven, stovetop. Okay, you'll have this hood as well as the dishwasher. Okay, you got the matte black sink, which is very popular. That is optional. So you got your door to your garage. This is going to be your laundry room area as well. Okay, garage door is locked as always. Okay, so that comes included. You're going to have that little shelf right there. And okay, so you got your toilet, your sink. I believe these doors and these the handles, those are standard. Okay, I think if you go to Design Studio, you'll have like 4 or 5 different options. Cool, let's head up to the second floor. Now, if you're watching this video and you're, pretty interested in this new construction home, or you're interested in one of the videos that I posted up, and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and just help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, you know what, that's okay too. Just let your realtor come with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself. Because if you go by yourself, then once the builder agent has your name, phone number, and email, they won't let you have representation down the road. And the only problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So very important to get yourself some representation, somebody who will negotiate for you, who's familiar with the process, okay, who could walk you through it, hold the builders accountable. Okay, so right here, fiberglass shower tub. So we got the single sink. You can't opt, I think you can opt for the dual sinks as well. That would be an upgrade. But yeah, this is the drop-in sink, so that is standard. Okay, if you want an upgrade, you could do like the undermount sink. Okay, here, so we got the transfer grill up here. Now the second floor in KB communities, KB homes will always be 8-foot ceilings, okay? There is no available option to upgrade. Now this is the full-size bed. So you have, decent room here. Cool. And then also too, you'll also have smoke detectors in every room. CO2 smoke detectors will be in the hallways. And then if you want to add any lighting to the guest rooms, there's going to be like no lighting or pre-wire to the ceiling fan. So you'd have to add all of that as well. Because otherwise, I mean, every room is just going to have like a half hot switch. You could connect a lamp if you don't want to add any lighting, and then just literally, you know, hit the switch and the lamp will turn on. So welcome to the other guest bedroom. So you have 2 windows in this one. Okay, I got your standard closet. All right. Again, we got the transfer grills in every room. That's just gonna help regulate like the airflow, as well as prevents doors from slamming if there's any wind. Now, the primary bedrooms are not gonna have the transfer grill, they're gonna have the jumper duct. Okay, so the air is actually gonna travel through here and then like inside the room, okay? So that's better because, you know, there's more, it's more private. You know, obviously you can't hear as much noise as you can if you have a transfer grill. You got linen closet. All right, so to the left, you have your primary closet. Okay, very spacious. Okay, so king size bed. Oh, look, it looks like they're doing some work right over here. Yeah, but yeah, plenty of windows. Windows could be, window placements will vary just depending on the elevation that you choose. Okay. So here's a primary bath. So you do have your shower, your walk-in shower there. You got 2 sinks. Your toilet room. Cool. And then your linen closet. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the Plan 1921. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, especially if you want to know what the incentives are. But yeah, again, thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys the next one.